Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we discussed the trigonometric ratios and identities. Now in this session we will start trigonometric equations. So I will give introduction once again. So what is trigonometric equation? An equation involving trigonometric functions or ratios. This is called trigonometric equation. Example, sin square x plus 2 cos x plus 3 equals to 0. So this equation involving trigonometric functions. Next, what is meant by principal solution? A solution for which the x value is between 0 less than or equals to x less than 2 pi. So that solution is called principal solution. Next, general solution. So it contains all the possible solutions. In general solution, first, if sin x is equal to 0, then the general solution is x equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. Second, if cos x equals to 0, x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Third one, if tan x equals to 0, then x equals to n pi, n belongs to z. Next, fourth one, if sin x is equal to sin y, then the general solution is x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into y, where n belongs to z. Fifth, if cos x is equal to cos y, then the general solution x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y, where n belongs to z. Sixth, if tan x equals to tan y, then x is equal to n pi plus y, where n belongs to z. So these already we discussed in PU. And seventh, if sin square x is equal to sin square y, that implies x is n pi plus or minus y. Eighth, for cos square x equals to cos square y, for this also same n pi plus or minus y. You need to remember all these general solution. Last, if tan square x equals to tan square y, for this also the general solution x is equal to n pi plus or minus y, where n belongs to z. So this is trigonometric equation, principal solution and general solution. Okay, we'll start problem in exercise. First question. Dear students, we are explaining questions in exercise. Before exercise we have solved questions, we are not explaining, already solution is given. You practice that. Only exercise question we will discuss. First question. If 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x minus 3 is equal to 0, where 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 180 degrees. So we need to find the solution. This equation I am converting into sign. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin x minus 3 equals to 0. Now 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into sin square x, 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you will write minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x, 2 minus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. If you take minus common, 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. You solve this quadratic equation. 2 sin square x, this minus 3 sin x can be written as minus 2 sin x minus 1 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. In first two terms, 2 sin x common. Now it is sin x minus 1. In last two terms, minus 1 common. Sin x minus 1 equals to 0. Again you take sin x minus 1 common into 2 sin x minus 1 equals to 0. So from this we can write sin x value is 1, sin x value is 1 by 2. But in this question they given x value is from 0 to 180. So when sin value becomes 1, if x equals to 90 degrees. Next, when sin value is 1 by 2, x is 30 degrees. Next, again when sin value 1 by 2, you will get sin 150 also. Why? Because 150 can be written as 180 minus 30. 180 minus means second quadrant sin is positive. Now sin 30, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore 150 also we can take. These all values are lies between 0 to 180. Therefore 90 degrees, 30 degrees, 150 degrees, that is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, I will go with question number 2. In second question, the number of values of x in the interval closed bracket 0 comma pi, satisfying the equation 3 sin square x minus 7 sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if you factorize this, 3 sin square x minus 7 sin x can be written as minus 6 sin x minus 1 sin x plus 2 equals to 0. In first two terms, 3 sin x common, sin x minus 2. Next two terms, minus 1 common, sin x minus 2 equals to 0. Again I will take sin x minus 2 common. Now if you take sin x minus 2 common, what you will get? 3 sin x minus 1 equals to 0. So from this you will get sin x is equal to 2 and sin x is equal to 1 by 3. But according to sin range is minus 1 to 1. Therefore sin x is equal to 2, which is not possible. So second question, and we will get how many number of solutions. See here, this value is 1 by 3, that is nothing but positive. Sine is positive in which quadrant we will take it? First I will take like this 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay, this is one cycle. In first quadrant sine is positive. In second quadrant sine is positive. Don't take third and fourth. In third and fourth sine is negative. That's why in first 0 to 2 pi you will get two values. But here the range is given 0 to 5 pi. That's why I am extending this 2 pi. Next, this is 5 pi by 2. Next, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 8 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2. So here from 0 to 2 pi you will get two solutions. Again in this first quadrant it is positive. Again in the second quadrant it is positive. Now what you will get from 2 pi to 4 pi? Again how many solutions? Two solutions. Again 4 pi to 5 pi, another two solutions will exist. Now here two solutions, here two solutions, here two solutions. Total you will get 6 solutions for this question number 2. That is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Third question. For third question, the equation sin x plus sin y plus sin z is equal to -3 and 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2 pi, 0 less than or equals to y less than or equals to 2 pi, 0 less than or equals to z less than or equals to 2 pi. So we need to find how many solutions you will get. See, for this I am taking if x equals to y equals to z equals to, I am taking 3 pi by 2. Okay, because 3 pi by 2 in the 0 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 in 0 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 in 0 2 pi. You can substitute. 3 pi by 2 means 270, sin 270, sin 270, sin 270. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So now 3 pi by 2 is the only solution. You will get the resultant value is -3. Therefore, you will get only one solution for this. That is nothing but option A is the correct answer. Next, fourth question. The given condition cos 40 degrees is equal to x and cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2x square. Then the possible values of theta lying between 0 to 360. Okay, now cos theta equals to 1 minus 2, x is nothing but cos 40, that is cos square 40. We know that 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta is a formula. Now apply this formula. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus, in place of this I can write 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 into 40, that is nothing but 80. Now here 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Now cos theta is equal to minus cos 80 degrees. This minus cos 80 I can write in cos theta is equal to cos 180 minus 80. Why? Because 180 minus means second quadrant cos is negative. That is nothing but cos theta is equal to cos 100 and theta is 100 degrees. This is one solution. One more I can write. Cos theta is equal to, I can write cos 180 plus 80. Because 180 plus is third quadrant also cos is negative. Then cos theta is equal to cos 260 degrees. Now theta is equal to 260 degrees. Both are in the range 0 to 360 only. Therefore, 100 degrees and 260 degrees, that is nothing but option A is the correct answer for question number 4. Next. Question number 5. Okay, listen. In question number 5, they given cot alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Then we need to find sin alpha plus 2 beta. See here, cot value 0. Cot is nothing but cos by sin. From this I can write cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Okay, already general solution. If cos x is equal to 0, we know the general solution formula. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, now this is a solution, but we required sin of alpha plus 2 beta. I can write sin alpha plus 2 beta. This can be written as sin of 2 alpha plus 2 beta minus alpha, because both are same. That equals to sin of, in first two terms you take 2 common, alpha plus beta minus alpha. But alpha plus beta value is how much? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. You can substitute. If you substitute, what you will get? 2n plus 1 into pi will get, because by 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Minus alpha. See here, this 2n plus 1 is odd multiple. Odd multiple means I already discussed pi, 3 pi, 5 pi and so on like this. But here after symbol is what? Minus. Odd multiple of pi minus means it will go to which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. That's why this can be written as sin alpha. Why? Because this 2n plus 1 is nothing but odd number multiply. If odd multiple of pi minus means it will go to second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. That's why answer is sin alpha. Therefore, option D is a correct answer. Next, sixth question. The most general values for which tan theta equals to minus 1. And next, cos theta equals to 1 by root 2. See here, tan value is negative, cos value is positive. In which quadrant tan is negative, cos is positive? That is nothing but fourth quadrant. Because in fourth quadrant cos value is positive, tan value is negative. In fourth quadrant, for which angle cos theta is 1 by root 2. So here I can write theta is equal to 7 pi by 4 directly I am writing. Okay, for 7 pi by 4 you will get cos theta value is 1 by root 2, tan theta value is minus 1. But here we will get one doubt. General solution we need to take for tan or general solution we need to take for cos. So here they given, in the question they given the most general values are given. If the most general values, the number of values will come for cos is more, therefore the general solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus theta. Now x equals to 2n pi plus or minus 7 pi by 4. But here minus is not given, only plus option is given. That's why we can write option C is a correct answer for question number 6. Next, seventh one. In seventh question, the sum of all the solutions of the equation. The sum of all the solutions of the equation cos theta into cos pi by 3 plus theta into cos pi by 3 minus theta, that is equal to 1 by 4. That's it. And theta belongs to 0 to 6 pi. Already in synopsis in trigonometry I gave one formula, cos theta into cos of 60 plus theta, that is nothing but pi by 3, cos of 60 minus theta, that equals to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. This is a formula. Now compare these two. In place of cos 3 theta we have 1. Therefore, okay, now here if cos 3 theta equals to 1, this 1 I can write cos 0. What is general solution? General solution is 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. That implies 3 theta equals to 2n pi, theta equals to 2n pi by 3. Okay, now you can substitute one by one. If n I am taking 0, what you will get? Theta value will be 0. If n value 1, theta is 2 pi by 3. If n value 2, theta is 4 pi by 3. If n value 3, theta is 2 pi. If n value 4, theta is 8 pi by 3. If n value is 5, theta is 10 pi by 3. If n value is 6, theta is 12 pi by 3, that is nothing but 4 pi, one more 2 values are there. I am taking, if n value is 7, theta equals to 14 pi by 3. If n value is 8, 2 8 is 16 pi by 3. Next, but here we need to stop up to 6 pi. Okay. Next, if n value is 9, now 2 9 is 18 pi by 3. 18 pi by 3 means 6 pi. But I am not cancelling just. So these are the solution. But we require the sum of all solutions. So here 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi here 2 3 just I can write 6 pi by 3. I will make it all 3. 2 6 just 12 pi by 3 I will take because by 3 is common. 2 pi plus 4 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi, 12 pi, 12 pi, 8 pi, 20 pi, 20 pi, 10 pi, 30 pi, 30 plus 12, 42, 42 plus 14, 56, 56 plus 16, 72, 72 plus 18, 90 pi. Therefore, sum of all solutions that equals to 90 pi by 3. That is 30 times cancel. So answer is 30 pi is the answer for question number 7. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer for question number 7. Next, question number 8. See in this, they given sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 1 equals to 0 has exactly 4 different solutions and x belongs to closed bracket 0 comma n pi. Then the minimum value of n can be, the minimum value of n can be. Okay, first it is having only 4 solutions, and what is the minimum value of n we need to find. I'll simplify this. Sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 I can write. Now it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is nothing but, because 1 minus 2 you will get minus 1 only, sin x minus 1 whole square, that equals to 2. If you remove square, sin x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 2. Now sin x is equal to plus or minus root 2 plus 1. Here 2 options are possible. First I am taking plus root 2 plus 1. Next I am taking minus root 2 plus 1. But this is not possible. Why? Because this value is more than 2. But sin value is having highest value is 1 only. But here 1 plus root 2 means 2 point something. That's why sin range is not there. That's why you learned. Now we'll get sin x is root minus root 2 plus 1. I can write this one. Sin x is 1 minus root 2. Overall, this value is negative because root 2 is more negative. When sin is negative, I can take this is pi. This is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. In third quadrant sin is negative, in fourth quadrant sin is negative. If you go for one more cycle, now this is 2 pi, now this is 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 8 pi by 2. Again if you take one more cycle, another 2 values. But here they given 0 to n pi. But we can't go one more cycle. Why? Because clearly mentioned it is having how many solutions? 4 solutions. If you go with one more cycle, another 2 solutions will get. 4 plus 2, now it becomes 6. But in clearly it is mentioned the total possible solutions are only 4. Already we got 4 solutions. That's why we can take n value is 4. That is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, the total number of solutions for sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is equal to sin x cos x. Okay. Now it can be written as sin square x whole square cos square x whole square, that equals to sin x cos x. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab is a formula. If you apply this, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is equal to, so now is equal to sin x cos x. So this value is 1. For this, multiply with 4, divide with 4. This 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 4 I can write. For this also, divide with 2, multiply with 2. Now it can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 into, this is sin 2x whole square. 1 by 2 into sin 2x. If you take LCM, 2 minus sin 2x whole square is equal to sin 2x. Let sin 2x is equal to, take any t. Now the equation 2 minus t square is equal to t. You send these two values that side, now it becomes t square plus t minus 2 equals to 0. Finally, we got a quadratic equation. So first you will check it, factorization is possible or not. So here this t can be written as 2t minus t, minus 2 equals to 0. In first two terms you take t common, t plus 2, next minus 1 common, t plus 2. Now you will get t minus 1 into t plus 2 is equal to 0. Finally you get t value is 1, t value is minus 2. But t value already we took, that is sin 2x. Sin 2x is 1, sin 2x is minus 2. But this is not possible. Why? Because sin range is minus 1 to 1 only. This is not possible. Now for this I can write sin 2x is equal to, I can write sin 90. So the given in the question the total number of solutions, directly I can write, without general solution also we can write. When sin value becomes 1, sin 90 value 1, again sin 1, so here one more value will exist. So what is the value? This is positive. So for 90 you will get 1, but if you take 270, so this is minus 1. So 270 is not possible. And again you go for one more. What is that? This is pi. This is 2 pi. If you take 2 pi plus also, it is positive. Now it is 2 pi plus pi by 2 also I can take. So 2 pi plus pi by 2 means what? 5 pi by 2. Okay. Now like that you can write 9 pi by 2, all this. But here the condition is given for this 0 to 2 pi only. The value should be 0 to 2 pi, means x value is pi by 4, x value is 5 pi by 4. Therefore totally you will get 2 solutions for this question number 9. That is nothing but option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, 10th. The sum of all the solutions to the equation cos theta equals to sin 2 theta. And the given condition, and 0 not equals to n pi, and one more condition, 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to pi. Okay. Now this can be written as cos by sin 2 sin theta cos theta. So here from this I can write cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta into cos theta. Don't cancel this. Now if you take cos theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta equals to 0. Now cos theta into cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Here cos theta equals to 0, cos 2 theta equals to 0. So when cos value 0, theta will be 90 pi by 2. So here one more value will get, theta will be, I can take 270, 3 pi by 2. Next, here 2 theta equals to, when 0, pi by 2. When 0, here can I take 3 pi by 2? Because 2 come to this side, become 3 pi by 4, that is nothing but 135. 135 is in the range. Now theta is pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. We require sum. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. That is nothing but pi by 2 plus this value will be pi. Now if you simplify, take LCM, answer is 3 pi by 2 for question number 10. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, 11th question. The number of solutions of the equation 12 cos cube x minus 7 cos square x plus 4 cos x is equal to 9, means minus 9 equals to 0. See here, it is not a quadratic equation, it is a cubic equation. For cubic equation solving, we have one simple method. Okay, first you take only coefficients, 12 minus 7, 4 minus 7. So these are the coefficients I took. Here you check this is 0. Here you take any value, we will check this is root or not. To get this is root, here the remainder value will be 0. Then only it is root. We will check it. 12 plus 0, 12. You multiply 1 into 12, 12. Minus 7 plus 12, 5. 1 into 5, that is 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 into 9, 9. Minus 9 plus 9 cancel, the remainder will be 0. This is one method. So if you are not having this method in your class, you take cos is x. Now 12x cube minus 7x square plus 4x minus 9. This can be divisible with x minus 1. You can apply this concept also. Now here plus 1 is there, now you will get minus 1. Cos x minus 1. 12 cos square x. In cube already one root is there, that's why I reduce it to square. Plus 5 cos x plus 9, that equals to 0. Now from this I can write, to send this value, this is non-zero value, we can write cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Now if cos x minus 1 equals to 0 means cos x equals to 1. So cos x equals to n, 1 can be written as x equals to n pi. Okay, so if n pi, because if you take, or otherwise I will write a general solution, cos x is equal to cos 0. So what is solution? X equals to 2n pi plus or minus 0, and x equals to 2n pi where n belongs to z. But here there is no restriction given. If you take n is 1, one solution, n is 2, one more solution, 3, 4, 5, like that, how many solutions will get? There are infinite solutions will exist for this question number 11. That is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next, 12th question. In 12th question, the number of all possible pairs x comma y such that x and y are real numbers satisfying the system of equation x plus y equals to 2 pi by 3 and cos x plus cos y equals to 3 by 2. The number of all possible ordered pairs we need to find. See here, I can apply this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. That is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Already x plus y value we know. Substitute here 2 cos 2 pi by 3 by 2, that is nothing but pi by 3 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 pi by 2. 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Then cos of x minus y by 2, that is 3 by 2. Again 2 gets cancelled. Now cos of x minus y by 2 equals to, this is 1.5. But cos range is up to 4, then there is no solution. They given there exist 0 solutions for this question number 12. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, question number 13. In this they given 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2 pi. The number of solutions of the equation 3 into sin x plus cos x minus 2 into sin cube x plus cos cube x is equal to 8. Okay. Now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Apply this formula for this. Now 3 into sin x plus cos x minus 2 into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 8. Now here I will take sin x plus cos x common. Three minus 2 into this value is 1 minus sin x cos x is equal to 8. Now sin x plus cos x. If you simplify 3 minus 2, 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 8. Now sin x plus cos x into, this can be written as sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin x cos x. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. I can write a plus b whole square. That equals to 8. Finally, cube you will get. Sin x plus cos x whole cube equals to 8. You will get root 2, 2 root 2 plus or minus. Two root 2 value, it is not possible. That's why, because 8 cube will get 8 power 1 by 3 you can write. So here you can write 2. Okay, I can write 2. So this is not possible. Therefore, there is no solution exists for question number 13. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, 14th. The total number of solutions of tan x plus cot x equals to 2 cosecant x. Tan x plus cot x is equal to 2 cosecant x, but here they given minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Okay. Now, this can be written as sin by cos, or you can write cot is 1 by tan also, no problem, plus cos by sin cos x by sin x, that is 2 by sin x. You will take LCM. Cos x sin x is LCM. Sin into sin, sin square. Cos into cos, cos square. That equals to 2 by sin x. Now 1 by cos x sin x is equal to 2 by sin x. Cross multiply. Sin x is equal to 2 cos x into sin x. I will take sin x common. 1 minus 2 cos x is equal to 0. Now we will get sin x is 0. From this you will get cos x is 1 by 2. Okay. Now when sin value is 0, sin 0 0. Next, sin 180, sin 2 pi. But here negative also I can take, because minus 2 pi 2 pi given. Therefore, I can write minus pi minus 2 pi. That's it. Next, when cos value is 1 by 2, cos 60. Next, we can write 2 pi minus pi by 3 also. That is nothing but 5 pi by 3. Again, you will take negative value also. Minus pi by 3. Minus 5 pi by 3. But total values you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total you will get 9 solutions will exist for this question. In 14th question, option B, that is 4 is given, that is not 4, we will get totally 9 solution. You change the option. Next, 15th question. 15th question, they given x comma y belongs to 0 to 2 pi, and sin x plus sin y equals to 2. Then find x plus y. See here, if sin x equals to sin y equals to 2 and xy belongs to 0 to 2 pi means it is possible only if x value is pi by 2, y also pi by 2, because sin 91, 1 plus 1 you will get 2. Therefore, x plus y, pi by 2 plus pi by 2, then x plus y is pi is answer for question number 15. That is nothing but option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 16. In 16th question, they given sin 3 theta by 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now numerator sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. I am converting the entire equation in terms of sin. That's why cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus 1, that equals to 1 by 2. Now simplify. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 2 minus 4 sin square theta plus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Now 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 3 minus 4 sin square theta is 1 by 2. I will take sin theta common. 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 3 minus 4 sin square theta equals to 1 by 2. Now you will get sin theta value is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 I can write sin 30. We know general solution for sin x equals to sin y. General solution is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. That is nothing but option C is a correct answer. Next, question number 17. If tan pi by 2 sin theta is equal to cot pi by 2 cos theta, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. First, I am converting the right side value also in terms of tan. Tan pi by 2 sin theta is cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. Now it is in the form of tan x equals to tan y. Now general solution is x equals to n pi plus y, n belongs to z. In place of x you take this and this is y. Now pi by 2 sin theta, that is n pi plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 cos theta. You send the minus from this side. Pi by 2 sin theta plus pi by 2 cos theta, that equals to n pi plus pi by 2. You will take pi by 2 common. Sin theta plus cos theta equals to n pi plus, or you can take pi common. but we required sin theta plus cos theta, that is n pi plus pi by 2 into this pi by 2 come to this side becomes 2 by pi. Now sin theta plus cos theta is equal to, so here pi gets cancelled, you will get 2n plus 1 is the answer for 17th question. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 18. Next question, cos 2 theta equals to root 2 plus 1 into cos theta minus 1 by root 2. Now this left side cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here if you take LCM, root 2 is LCM, that's why root 2 plus 1 by this LCM root 2 I am writing starting. Now root 2 cos theta minus 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. It can be written as root 2 cos theta plus 1 into root 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into root 2 cos theta minus 1. If you simplify this, root 2 cos theta minus root 2 cos theta cancel. Now root 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to, the simplification of this is 1 plus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now 1 gets cancelled. Now root 2 cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, cross multiply. 2 cos theta is equal to 1. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. When cos value 1 by 2? Cos 60. Now theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this is the answer for this question number 18, but this is not given, none of these, that is nothing but option D is the correct answer.